Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin and I'm the crocheter behind Juniper and Oaks. I just love yarn and I love hosting Crochet-a-long. I'm excited to announce the Nordic Star Crochet-a-long that starts on December 7th. This is a 5-part crochet-along, and in the end we're going to make this mosaic crochet stocking. So this is the same technique that I used when making the Nordic Star blanket crochet-along that's been running this fall, and now I'm excited to crochet the stocking along with you. This is a free crochet-along. I will have tutorials here on my YouTube channel as well as free instructions on my website. Now when it comes to the mosaic section, just the chart will be free on my website. So if you want the full written instructions, including chart, written instructions, all of that, make sure that you purchase the pattern. Now this cal is included in my Crazy Yarn Lady membership, so make sure you check out the link below to get more information on that membership. But let me tell you a little bit more about this stocking. So this cal has 5 sections. First we'll work on the toe, then this bottom section of the main body. Then for the next day, we're going to leave a hole for the heel and go ahead and start with this top section of the body. For day number 4, we're going to make up the cuff, and then day number 5, finish with the heel. Little sections every day, but over this long weekend, we're going to create this stocking together. Hooray! Now there's also going to be instructions on how to make it a little bit bigger and make this more jumbo size stocking pattern. So you get to choose which one do you want to make. Let's talk about the supplies you're going to need. First off, I used the size H hook. It's a 5mm hook. And then I used Wonder acrylic yarn from Furls Fiber Arts. I used 2 skeins of the Snow and 1 of the Laguna for each of these. You don't quite need all of it when you're making the small version, but you're going to use every scrap when you're making this bigger version. So that's 120 yards of your color B and 240 yards of your color A, or there's about. Granted, I am a tight crocheter, so you can check your gauge or just get a little extra yarn if you need to. So go ahead and gather your supplies, grab the pattern, everything that you need, because the fun starts on December 7th. If you need to join the cal after it's released, no worries. The instructions and the videos are still available, so check them out. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out when the first section is released. Go ahead and like this video so that more people can find it. Share this video with a friend who else that you know wants to create a stocking like this. Go ahead, comment down below. Are you joining in on the cal, and what colors are you going to use to make your stocking? Let me know. Love to hear about it.